Hello and welcome to Point and Speak English. Today we are going to do another lesson on 5 more popular American English phrases. If you would like to see part 1 of this, click here. Let's get started. Phrase 1 is hang out. This means to spend time together. So for example, do you want to hang out this weekend? Repeat after me. Hang out. Phrase 2 is I'm just kidding. This means I'm joking or I didn't mean it seriously. So for example, you have something in your teeth. I'm just kidding. So repeat after me. I'm just kidding. Phrase 3 is that's cool. This means that's great, or I like that, or that's okay. So for example, if I say, I got a new bike, you could say, that's cool. So repeat after me. That's cool. Phrase 4 is piece of cake. This means very easy. So for example, I could say, that test was a piece of cake. It doesn't mean it's actually cake, it just means it was easy. So repeat after me. Piece of cake. And phrase 5 is break a leg. This means good luck, especially before a performance or a presentation. So, for example, I could say, you have a big presentation today. Break a leg. It's just another way for me to say, good luck on your presentation. Repeat after me. Break a leg. Did you find these phrases helpful? Let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video and want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!